Have you ever wondered if wild animals could teach us a thing or two about friendship? It might seem like a strange idea. The animal kingdom can often feel like a place where survival of the fittest reigns supreme. But dig a little deeper, and you'll find incredible stories of loyalty, cooperation, and companionship that rival even our human connections. Let's start with elephants. These majestic creatures are known for their complex social lives and deep emotional bonds. In a herd, the matriarch leads, guided by decades of experience. But it's not just about leadership. These matriarchs teach younger females, ensuring the herd's wisdom spans generations. When two groups of elephants meet after a long time apart, they perform a ritual greeting ceremony, full of trumpets and affectionate trunk touches. Can you imagine anything closer to a heartfelt reunion between old friends? Then there are dolphins, playful, intelligent, and compassionate. They're famous for helping injured or stranded members of their pod, and sometimes even lending a hand, or rather a fin, to other species. One extraordinary example is of dolphins guiding an injured whale back into open waters. They worked as a team, using their bodies to nudge and support the struggling giant. For dolphins, friendship often transcends species boundaries. What a remarkable lesson in empathy and kindness. Wolves, on the other hand, form tight-knit packs that operate as a family. The leaders, usually the alpha male and female, aren't just in charge. They're mentors, guiding younger wolves and ensuring everyone in the group thrives. Once, a pack of wolves adopted a stray pup and cared for it as their own. The pup wasn't biologically related, but to them, family doesn't always mean sharing the same blood. It's a heartwarming reminder that belonging can come from shared love and support, not just biology. And here's a story that's sure to tug at your heartstrings. Shirley and Jenny, two elephants who reunited at a sanctuary after being separated for over 20 years. Their reunion was nothing short of magical. Touches, gentle vocalizations, and the unmistakable signs of recognition. It was clear their bond hadn't faded over the years. Their story reminds us that time and distance don't have to weaken the ties of true friendship. These animal friendships aren't just sweet stories to marvel at. They hold lessons for us humans. Cooperation, empathy, respect, and even sacrifice. Animals exhibit these qualities in ways that are both instinctual and inspiring. So next time you're looking at a herd of elephants, a pod of dolphins, or even a playful pack of wolves, remember, friendship is everywhere, if we're open to seeing it. What's your favorite story of animal friendship? Drop it in the comments, and let's celebrate these incredible connections, because the wild truly has so much to teach us. And who knows, maybe your suggestion will inspire my next adventure. Thanks for joining me today. Until next time.